Hey everybody, Bill in Virginia. Welcome back. So I've been back now about almost 2 weeks, probably about another 3 or 4 weeks, and then I'm going to be going back to Thailand. So spending a little time out here in the garage with the layouts. See, I've got the ON30 taken apart. You can see the pink foam board there in the center. Just waiting on a date for when that's going to be moved, and we'll get that put into its new home. But the rest of this video is going to be short. It's just a series of photographs showing construction of a roughly 22 by 26 foot building in the backyard of the house that I have in Thailand. That is going to be a shop area, storage, and model railroad room. So pictures are showing some of the early construction going on there. Once I get back into Thailand, I will start doing videos showing more about the building and more about my plans. But for now, I'll keep this one short and just kind of give you a little overview of things to come. So that's going to do it for this video. Just a short one. Right now the concrete is curing there, and it will be curing for about a week, so not a whole lot of activity going on for a little while. As I get more, I will make another short video and then post that before I go back. But once I get back, it won't be long, and I will be able to start making more layouts. I'll be doing a bunch there, showing videos as I make the workshop, I make the space, I use local materials, bamboo, and I'm actually going to use some of that tube stock that they use for the framing on that building for some of the bench work, but then I'm going to enclose it in bamboo. So my layout area there is going to be Gilligan's Island themed. Should be fun. Anyway, that's it for now. Keep having fun on your layouts. I know I am. Until next time.